Everything starts at the bowl. Hair care, healthy hair, it all starts at the bowl. I've seen a lot of people not wash hair, and it's very disappointing because it's given that a lot of these hairstyles they're getting very lazy. But Rashawn washes hair. You come and you need your hair washed, I'm gonna wash it. So it all starts with a silk press. It all starts with a clarifying shampoo. I'm using a herbal essence clarifying, the tea tree one. Now, it's I like how it really cleans the hair, like take all the dirt off, because you want the silk press to be flowing. When you want to press your hair, make sure you wash it really good, 3-4 times to get all the dirt and everything out. And when you're ready to silk press, you just leave in a nice serum and press it all the way out. Enjoy this video, like and subscribe, share with all your friends. Let me know how it is. And thanks for watching. God bless. What do you think?
Good morning. Hey, how you doing, baby? I hope you're hungry. Oh, what do we owe that? Oh,
No reason. I just want to feed my family.
oh, yeah, for that.
He's not hungry, but he's cool. Hey. Morning.
Good morning, son.
You want two or three? I know how much you love my flapjacks.
I'm good. Lisa's coming over, and we have a busy day planning her mom's memorial benefit.
Let her know that she can have the entire house and whatever she needs, we'll provide.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
You are going to be done in time to join us for the concert, right?